Hello, my friends. This is Shailendra Kant again in front of you. So, as promised, today I am going to revise all the 7 secrets of the success of home-based business, and one by one I will go on telling you. And to emphasize my point, I will put one more or two more lines on every secrets. Like secret number 1, if you will see, the secret number 1 says that pay the price in full and in advance. This is about the secret number 1. In this secret, I have described that why at all this paying of price is required. It is not always the money, but it may be your fears or something like that. Then secret number 2 is there. Create $1 million habit and do it every single day, in which I have explained you that I am doing my yoga and meditation every single day, and this type of habits should be there, and it will be giving you a very good result if you are loving it. Then third is you can't lose anything or any matter if you don't have. It appears to be very funny, but in fact people are thinking that he or she is being rejected, but it is not the fact. If somebody to whom you have prospected, to whom you are sending emails and all that, if he is trying to reject, then in fact he is not rejecting you yourself, or even he is rejecting himself, you can say. He is not rejecting the companies and all that. So the fourth secret is get paid for every action. Say, I will say like this. Normally people are thinking that okay, since right now I am not getting the results and all that, so perhaps I don't know, it is not working for me and all that. So, but fact is that it will take some time to grow. Like I have given the example of seeds, where it will be put inside the soil, then it will take some time for coming up, and then for fruits also. Then secret number 5 is it's not about what happens to you, rather it is about how you respond. See, it's like that because it's an inner journey. So I can say like this: if something is happening, something is happening to you, you may be thinking that it is going against me or something like that. Sometimes you may be thinking it is in favor of you. But apart from that, how you respond in your activity, in your because it's an inner journey, you know. So that is of secret number 5. And secret number 6 is first come up with your contribution and not of collection. In that I have given a type of, you can say, fair warning also to you, that if you think that this particular business seems not for you, then you may leave also, because this is the one single, you can say, secret which carries a lot of weight. So if you are thinking that okay, first you have to earn money, then you will contribute, then you are wrong. You are grossly mistaken. And then last secret, secret number 7, yesterday only I have told you that it's not about what you are doing that will decide the success, but it's about who you are being. Means how your inners are, you can say, inner sense is developing, how your journey is going on, those things are more important. So this is all about your 7 secrets I have revised here. Now I am going to cover few questions, because these questions are very important and I am frequently being asked from many of my friends who are commenting. So okay, let me see what is the question. Okay, somebody is asking, all these secrets are whether applicable? Yes, my friend, it is fully applicable. All the secrets in fact are prepared after taking care that practically how you fare in a home-based business and what are the difficulties people are facing. Based on that only these secrets are prepared. So it is not the book is thing only, it's about you can say practically how it is to be implemented. Based on that these secrets are devised. And second question is asked whether it is applicable in Empower Network, because I am from Empower Network. So they are confused whether it is possible to implement in Empower Network or not, because it's an internet marketing company. So my friend, I am telling you, internet marketing company, for that matter any internet marketing company is also part of a home-based business. So it is perfectly applicable. In fact, we are quite actively working on all these secrets, and it is giving results also. If you will follow, then certainly results will be coming. Then third question, will it not make introvert and unacceptable to world, since all these are for mindsets only? Yeah, of course it is for mindsets only, but let me give you some insight of this one. There is a grossly, you can say, mistaken by society also that people who are you can say introvert are a failure. No, it is not like that. The person who is introvert, it simply shows that that fellow is more you can say he is more committed to his he is more you can say inclined to see his heart and all that. So it's not a bad thing, it's a in fact good thing. And people who are really interested to in home-based business, then he should search within. And the fourth question is, why people are not successful when even if all these secrets are there. See, it all depends. You can say it's like a manual. If somebody is following the manuals, then he will come in the exam fairly well. So it all depends. At least myself is concerned, I always want that I should be a good student of internet marketing company or internet marketing activities and all that. I wanted to be a good student, so I follow these as a truly as a manuals. And how to okay, yeah, one more very interesting question, that whether it is possible to earn money by following these secrets or not. Yes, my friends, it is always possible to earn the money. That's why it is devised. But don't think that in the beginning itself you will start earning the money. If at all you are earning, it's good, but it's not the final one, I am telling you, because you have to build people first and then your business will be built up. That always mark it. It is very, very important, and you can testify also in all your home-based business. And then last question is, how to get the correct platform if at all these secrets are correct. Yes, very good. In fact, this I love to answer this one. In fact, one of my videos I have already answered this one, but here again the chance is there, I will explain it. See, one very important point here, somebody has to see that how to select a correct platform. Of course, without selecting the correct platform, even if you are going to follow all the secrets, you are not going to be a successful person. So it is a very important that you should select a correct platform. And what are the criteria for this one? Criteria number first is company. What are the credentials of the company? How the company is progressing? And of course I have given answers in one of my videos, there is no doubt, but broadly you can decide about companies. And the second point is compensation plan. If the compensation plan says okay 10% profit will be there, 10% commission will be there, and some other companies is saying that okay I am giving 50%, so of course you have to select that one. And mind it, here Empower Network is far ahead of all, rather it is on the first in the queue because it is giving 100% commission. At the same time, compensation plan itself, that inside the compensation plan it has got infinite width, infinite depth. No other this you can say compensation plan is like that anywhere. You can compare with anybody, any company. And third, that is also very important, is the leadership. See, leadership is training is such that if you have selected a good company and good you can say compensation plan with good compensation plan, then also if the leadership is not good, then you may not progress. So the point is that leadership must be there, very good. It means you ask the team which to whom you are going to be referred, whether that it is doing well or not. So that way, in this way also, our team is the Team Rockstar Global, which is one of the fastest growing team in Empower Network. So there is no doubt in it. And as a person, you see all my videos. There is no doubt. I am always excited to help others. I have shown my interest also, because even I have told that I have got no fascination in reaching to the finishing line early. I want that many such persons along with you, like you people, should come with me, and then I will cross the finishing line along with you, and that is my passion. So all this is the today is the 16th, I think. Yeah, today is the 16th video of this 90 days video challenge, and this is Shailendra Kant signing off from Empower Network with this summary of all the secrets. Tomorrow again I will meet with new this video that is again exciting one. So take care, thank you, bye bye.